How to cancel Remitly transaction on hold. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your transaction on Remitly that is kept on hold. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply what you want to do is you want to open up your Remitly app, and there what you want to do is you want to sign into a profile. In my case I'm already signed in, so it'll just load up quickly here as you can see on screen. Let this load up. Now if you have any transfer history here, what you want to do is you want to select the transfer history option here. I don't have any one, but so it's not showing up, but if you do have one, it'll be shown right here at the top menu here. Now once you select the transfer history from the top menu, you want to choose the transfer you would like to cancel. From there you want to choose the transfer, and once you choose the transfer, what you want to do is you want to select the view receipt option, and once you tap on view receipt, you want to go to the bottom of the screen and you want to select the cancel your transfer option, and you want to choose the cancel transfer option there and select the reason for your cancellation and then choose submit. And once you do so, your Remitly transaction will be cancelled. So this way you can cancel your Remitly transaction on hold. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.